Hello everyone, welcome back to TechMix. Today I will show you how to fix the Black Ops 7 error code Travis RAA or RIA, or Error Connection Failed to PC. So, let's get right into this. So, the easiest way to basically fix this error is have two folders opened up. In the first folder, to do this, press the Windows and R keys simultaneously and open Run. After opening Run, type %localdata% and click OK. In the opened folder, and in this, change the folder name to Old, and then open up this PC again. Now, go open another File Explorer in the Documents folder. Change the file of Call of Duty to Old. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are new video, please go channel. Make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm coming out. Peace.